Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Michał Polski, Ambassador of the Republic of Poland to the Republic of Fiji.
Mr. President, I have a great honor to present the letters of credence addressed to you by Polish President Mr. Andrzej Duda, accrediting me as the first ever Polish President to the Republic of Fiji. On this occasion, I don't have a letter of recalls because I didn't have a
That's okay, you have that. Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. And please convey to His Excellency the President, the government and the people of the Republic of Poland our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Congratulations, Ambassador. Welcome to Fiji.
Your Excellency.
Over here we say Bula.
Bula Vinaka.
Bula.